When we were looking for the term to describe the show, we struggled with whether we're going to call it immersive or interactive, because multimedia didn't really express what the show is truly about. We felt that that term gave audiences who have never seen the show a sense for what they're about to experience, because you do become immersed. It was not until we met Jérôme de la Pierre, the visual artist who we created the show with, that we immediately knew that we could adapt what he was creating to a live musical performance.
Trying to enhance our experience through technology is nothing new to humanity. And now we are at the age that the digital world allows us to enhance further the experience of an audience and the performer through incorporating elements that can be digitally manipulated in real time, and that creates a synergy. So in my opinion, it actually does not take away, it really does enhance it, because it is in synchronization with everything else that happens on stage.
I'm so aware of the scenography that it's almost, for me, like putting on a mask or a costume, and I'm reacting to that environment. I don't perform the same way when I'm just doing a regular show. I have noticed that I'm constantly aware of the bigger picture of what's happening around me. We decided to go with these ancient elements because it kind of was in harmony with the music as well. You know, our music really is a mixture of old poetry, old folk music, and brought into a sort of modern context with electronic music. And we felt that visually we should also be creating that same experience. It should be in harmony with the music. So you have these very ancient elements, but at the same time it's such a modern context that it's difficult to kind of make sense of it, but it does fit so beautifully together. It's so exciting for us, this idea of being able to blend traditional elements, to be able to manipulate sound, and then to be able to create something that is also relevant. And there's been no other time, in my opinion, more than now, to get out there, to meet with people, especially young people whose minds are still being formed, they're still open, and to be able to share our experience with them, to be able to humanize who we are, and to be able to have a meaningful exchange outside of the concert experience. And this has now become part of our mission as a group, and especially as individuals, you know, is to be able to use the platform that we have created and the success we've generated for a greater cause.
I had a lot of feelings about the show. Mostly it was just powerful. Like, I felt very powerful emotions. I almost wanted to go up and say, how did you create this? How did this happen?
It was very inspirational, and there was moments where I felt like haunted and like I felt relieved. The whole piece originated from part of the world that I am not connected to, and then being able to connect that with my faith as well.
I learned a new story tonight that I didn't know. The themes behind the show was very mysterious. She was born into darkness and led to feeling free. That was symbolized by her dress.
It was out of the norm what I'm used to. It was powerful because one message I took from it was to keep going. Like when the lady, she just kept spinning and spinning. I'm like, you just gotta keep going in life. And that was just basically like the one phrase that I got from it, just keep going. Just power through the struggle.
I think I was kind of in awe. I just think that I could connect to what the artist was trying to express. We're just all human. We all have the same emotions. We all go through struggles. We all face difficulties in life, and culture doesn't change that. We're different, but we're also the same.